Hello? Oh shit! Oh, oh my god, oh my god. What? Oh! Gunshots, gunshots, gunshots! Oh!
Sa kailaliman ng kagubatan ng Nova Scotia, may isang creator na nagcamping ng mag-isa sa isang lugar kung saan may mga naiulat na nawawalang tao, isang balibalitang serial killer na nagtatago sa gubat, at isang nilalang na tinatawag ng mga lokal na dogman.
So basically what we're going to be doing out here is obviously camping the entire night, and the reason why that is because reportedly there may be a dog man out here. Not only that, but also potentially a serial killer. So we're dealing with kind of, you know, cryptid, ghosts, and potentially murderers. I don't know. I have not seen a single person out here, not a single car anywhere. I had to drive through all these crazy dirt roads just to get here, and finally found a spot where we can kind of set up our campsite because I need to eat. What was that? I was hearing something. It's like a weird, like, almost humming, hissing kind of feeling. That caught me off guard. Anyway, let's get this party started.
Habang siya ay naghahanda ng panggatong para sa apoy, nang biglang may tunog na nagpatigil sa kanya. Malakas, malapit, at tila nasa mismong likuran niya. Binaling niya ang tingin niya sa may gilid ng mga puno, pero walang anuman ang nandoon.
Kind of a crazy story if you ask me. What was that? Somebody over there? It legit almost sounded like it was directly behind me. Yeah, like it literally sounded like it was right there almost.
Pagkalipas ng ilang oras, sa kailaliman ng gabi, isang boses na malinaw na parang sa tao ang sumigaw mula sa kung saan sa kadiliman.
Yeah, that's the I heard something. It sounded like a voice. Like somebody yelled out. Hello? Okay. Weird.
Pagkalipas ng hating gabi, isang tili ang bumasag sa katahimikan. May isang bagay na tumitili mula sa madilim na kagubatan. Mahirap ipaliwanag dahil walang sino man ang nandoon.
That's where I just heard that scream again. What the Sounds like there's something moving out there.
Isang kagubatan sa hilagang England na itinayo sa ibabaw ng pinangyarihan ng isa sa mga pinakamalalang trahedya sa minahan sa UK. Noong 1910, 344 na kalalakihan at kabataan ang namatay rito sa isang pagsabog. Sa kailaliman ng gabi, habang bumubuhos ang ulan, dalawang pares ng sulo ang lumitaw sa may gilid ng mga puno papalapit sa camp.
Wait a minute. There's people in the woods. What the hell? I don't know if you're seeing those lights. There's definitely people there again. think we're just gonna walk over and do a bit of a ghost hunt.
Pagkatapos ng isang strobe light, ang kumikislap ng direkta sa kanila mula sa kadiliman. May isang tao doon sa gitna ng bagyo. Sa ganap na 3:00 ng madaling araw, ay nagpapadala ng mga senyas diretso sa kanilang tent.
I'm gonna flash back over towards them. They're over there, where my torch is now. Yeah, you can see it. See them? Yeah, they're coming this way.
Lumabas siyang mag-isa at may nasagap ang kanyang EVP device. Isang tunog na narinig din niya gamit ang sarili niyang mga tenga. Isang boses sa madidilim na puno ng kagubatang itinayo sa ibabaw ng 344 na patay ang direktang sumagot sa kanya.
Right, so I'm out here in the middle of the woods on my own. We've been hearing some weird stuff all night. So if you are here, do you want to come forward, come and speak to me? Got a device in my hand. Should be able to hear your voice if you come forward. The fuck was that? Did you hear that? Let's listen to this back. That was so strange. Yeah. What was that? Let's go back to the beginning of this. No way. Right. Let's go back to the tent. I need to show Ming this real quick. I did hear that with my own ears though. That was like somebody went, hello, hello. And it's been picked up on here. Right.
Isang liblib na campsite sa taglamig. Isang lugar na napuntahan na niya bago ang huli niyang pagbisita. May natagpo ang patay at tadtad ng sugat sa mismong tabi ng kanyang tent.
It is getting darker. Care? Heck yeah, check that meat out. You guys want a bite? What in the world am I seeing?
Dalawang mata ang nagre-reflect pabalik mula sa gilid ng mga puno kahit walang ilaw na tumatama sa mga ito. Pagkatapos may isang katok, may isang bagay sa labas na sadyang nag-iingay.
Oh! Oh, did you guys hear that? Wait a minute. Is that ice too? That was a knock. That was a knock, but there might be ice out there. That scared me. That was... Holy smokes. No way. I got you on the Wait a minute. I just seen eyes. And that was for sure a knock. I seen the eyes twice, so I know I seen eyes. Where'd you go? Right back in there. Man, I didn't even get to get done eating. It's still a little late too. Those eyes, I could see them and there was no light hitting.
Habang siya ay natutulog, biglang nagbago ang lahat. Isang bagay ang biglang sumugod sa kanyang camp mula sa kadiliman. Pagkatapos ay isang buong puno ang bumagsak mismo sa labas ng kanyang tent. Kinuha niya ang anumang makakaya at tumakbo patungo sa truck nang hindi na lumilingon.
Hello? Oh! 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 Dang it. Hold on. Hold on. Something just got thrown right outside the tent. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh! No. I'm armed. Hey. Hold on. Damn it. I'm armed.
Isang solo overnight stay sa isang pamilyar na bahagi ng kagubatan sa Britain. Isang tahimik na gabi kasama ang kanyang aso. May apoy, kaunting pagkain, at pagkatapos ay may gumalaw sa mga puno sa malapit na walang sino man ang makakapagpaliwanag. Lumabas siya ng kanyang tent upang maglakad-lakad.
Thought we'd come out for a little bit of a wander. Dark. Can't see all. Pitch black. Oh, sorry. Gonna see if there's. I had some kids earlier just running about, messing about. So if I find them, I'm gonna put me little blue lights on. Do this. Walk through woods going. Woo 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 woo.
Isang presensya, malapit, ngunit imposibleng matuntun kung nasaan. Nakarinig siya ng kakaibang tunog at ang tawa ng isang bata na hindi malaman kung saan nanggagaling.
Come on, mate.
Ang kanyang aso ay nanatiling nakadikit sa kanyang tabi. Bumalik siya sa direksyon ng apoy na hindi na tinatapos ang kanyang paglalakad.
Right then, I think that's about enough excitement for one night. What do you think? Bedtime. Unless all happens during night, we'll see it morning.
Isang liblib na daan sa bundok na hinati sa gitna ng kagubatan na dating rilis ng tren na nagdadala ng ginto sa kanyon noong 1800s. May mga minero na namatay rito dahil sa karahasan at mga sadyang pag-iba ng kuweba. Nagcamping siyang mag-isa sa tabi ng sapa noong gabi.
Alright, finally got a fire going. I was worried there for a minute because it started raining and I was worried we wouldn't be able to hang out outside and sit around a fire and tell spooky ghost stories while I drank some tea. But thankfully the rain let up and we're here on this beautiful spooky night all alone in this haunted forest.
Habang nakaupo sa tabi ng apoy at nagsasalita, isang tunog mula sa gilid ng mga puno ang tuluyang nagpatigil sa kanya. Natahimik siya sa isang daan sa bundok kung saan wala siyang nakikitang ibang sasakyan o tao man lang sa loob ng buong araw.
I thought I heard something moving over here. Freak, I'm on edge. Of course I am. I'm in a haunted forest, for crying out loud.
Bumalik na siya sa loob ng van, naghahanda na para matulog nang biglang isang malakas na kalampag ang tumama sa labas.
Okay. I hope the camera picked it up, but I just heard a thud outside. I just turned on my light outside my sliding door. I don't see anything out the windows. It sounded like something hit my van.
Lumabas siya dala ang isang flashlight, ngunit walang anuman ang nandoon. Nakatayo siyang mag-isa sa Phantom Canyon Road. Hindi malaman kung ang tumama ba sa kanyang van ay nanggagaling sa mga puno.
I'm like shaking right now. Hello? Okay, just real quick for peace of mind, I'm gonna go outside and just do a perimeter search.
Sa isang kagubatan na may 300 taong kasaysayan ng mga pagkawala ng tao, aktibidad ng kulto at pagpatay, dumating siyang mag-isa bago pa man magsimula mag-record ang kanyang kamera at may nag-iwan na ng sulat sa kanyang van.
I was just doing my business in the forest. I actually came from down that trail, and I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. It was a number 2, and while I was in there, I heard a car drive by and I heard it stop. I didn't think anything of it. I was just like, okay, maybe they're trying to get around because I'm kind of a dickhead and I didn't park properly. I just came out of the trail.
Nakaipit sa windscreen ang isang sulat kamay na hello, isang smiley face, at may nakasulat sa ilalim na walang sino man ang makapag-translate. Ang mga sariwang bakas ng gulong ay nagpapakita mismo kung saan nakaparada ang sasakyan sa tabi niya.
I just came out of the trail. Someone literally left a note on my van. It says hello with a smiley face and then something at the bottom. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is a very terrifying forest. This is a forest known for cult activity, for tragedies, murders, you name it. A lot of bad things have happened here, and I can't believe I'm starting the video off like this. Honestly, I don't know how much I can do because I'm alone. I'm alone here tonight. It's just me.
Habang siya ay nakapark, sinusubukan niyang ipanatag ang kanyang sarili habang may dalawang tunog ang bumasag sa gabi. Ang una ay nagpatigil sa kanya at ang ikalawa ay nagpagulat sa kanya ng husto. Isang tunog sa pagitan ng tili at ang mas masahol pa mula mismo sa labas ng van.
Hello? Oh shit! Oh my god, oh my god! What the hell was that? Ah! Oh my god! What the was that? I mean, so if it's an animal, I'm trying to like scare it off. Holy fuck. That first one was a scream. The second one, I don't know what the hell that was.
Nakarinig siya ng mga putok ng baril ng ilang beses, kaya mabilis niyang kinapa ang kanyang mga susi sa dilim. May gumagalaw sa labas na sapat ang lapit sa mga bintana para makita.
What? Oh! Gunshots, gunshots, gunshots! What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo! Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Oh no, 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 no. Guys, where the fuck are my keys? Fuck this, fuck this, fuck this. Oh, what the fuck is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? What the? Yo, someone. I think someone's outside. Hello? Oh my god. What the fuck? Guys, this is from earlier. That's from earlier. That was from the fucking tent earlier. Who's out here?
Lumabas siya at narinig ang sumisirit na hangin mula sa kanyang gulong. May tao sa labas at binutasan ito habang nakaupo siya sa loob ng mag-isa sa dilim.
That was flat. Wait. There's air coming out. Oh, fuck. Guys, I think someone just popped my tire. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I gotta get the fuck out of here now.
Pagkatapos noon ay nagmaneho na siya palabas gamit ang flat na gulong at hindi na huminto.
Guys, it's no longer safe here. It is no longer safe here. Someone was outside the van, and I think someone might have done something to my car. To the van. I think someone might have done something.